Nabon Women's Synod College hagasngi baar kala Pynlong ka 27 Annual College Meet Araja Pule ba kajing Pynkupburom ni kano hikai ka kong BL Car na po ka Sociology Department bat kumjuru kajing Pynkupburom ni Samla Pule HSSLC bat BA Semester Examination Araja Pule hapo Dinam Hall Jayau Pedang Shalom. Yakane ka program nastana kajing duai na Reverend GPL kadau President ka Governing Body ka College lawan ban longkong san dau Executive Engineer Berim ka Tenat Building uba ransom sutengah kajing don lang ka Principal ka kong isi bela bat kiwei ki kena Pule ki bala syak Pynkupburom ha college kila long na ki tengat Pule bat subject ko pair kila pas bha bat wanra burom ni college kumjuru kajing Pynkupburom ka kong BL Car ka bala dap arposan snem kajing hikai ban sekri kene kajika Pule bat ki kena na keliang ukong san la Pynkupburom ya kena hikai bat ki Samla Pule ya program la penya ya ka kong F Tiang HOD History Department Tapnya siobha da Dr. EL ma beniang HOD English Department ai keben ka kong kati thaba HOD Department of Economics jingduai pekut now Reverend Ati Shangder asi Christian Education Department KGP Synod sepngi bat kijing ruai na ki Samla Pule ka college
perform very well through your program, through your item. Now, today's program, it's a very, very special program. It is the closing of the Annual College Meet 2023 and also the felicitation program of one of our dear teachers who have completed 25 years of her service, and also the felicitation of students who have done well in SSLC examination 2023 and also BA semester examination 2023. It is a mixed program. Now, especially for our dear teacher, years of teaching in this college. You know, today before coming to this program, I was just thinking, completing 25 years of service in this college, new college, it is not an easy job. I believe, you know, during this 25 years of your service, you have faced challenges, you have faced problems, you have faced hardship. But you know, I want to really appreciate, I want to really congratulate you being completed 25 years of your service in this college. I know you are dedicated, you are committed. And to be dedicated, to be committed, it is not very easy for an ordinary man and woman. You need the grace from God. You need the grace from God. And I want to thank you for your service for the last 25 years. May God continue to bless you. May God continue to give you good health and strength and wisdom as you continue to serve Nabon Women's Synod College.